The person wearing $900 sneakers has $37 in their bank account, and the person wearing $40 sneakers has $83,000 saved. Same city, same age, same income bracket. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why people with $0 savings still buy expensive things, and more importantly, how to make sure you're not quietly becoming one of them.
Picture two people. The first one, let's call him Alex. Alex makes $68,000 a year. Decent job, not struggling, not rich, just normal middle-class income. He has the newest phone, $220 sneakers, noise-canceling headphones, and a $1,400 laptop he mostly uses for YouTube and email.
His Instagram looks fantastic. Clean outfits, nice coffee shops, occasional weekend trips. From the outside, Alex looks like someone who has his life together. But 3 days before payday, his checking account is usually hovering around $50, sometimes less.
He has $3,200 in credit card debt, no emergency fund, and every unexpected expense feels like a small financial crisis. Now picture the second person. Her name is Sarah. Sarah makes $61,000 a year, slightly less than Alex. She drives a 5-year-old car. Her phone is 3 years old. Her headphones cost $60. Nothing about Sarah's lifestyle looks impressive online. But Sarah has $42,000 saved and invested. She sleeps fine when her car needs repairs. She doesn't panic when a medical bill arrives. And she doesn't check her bank balance before buying groceries. Alex looks richer. Sarah actually is richer.
And the difference between them has almost nothing to do with income. It has everything to do with a handful of invisible forces that quietly push people to spend money they don't actually have.
Today, we're going through the psychology behind why people with zero savings still buy expensive things, the systems that make it happen, and the rules that prevent it. Let's start with the first one.
Rule 1. Expensive purchases are often emotional, not financial. Most people think expensive purchases happen because someone calculated the price and decided they could afford it. That is almost never what happens. Most expensive purchases happen in response to a feeling: stress, insecurity, boredom, comparison. Your brain is looking for a quick way to improve your emotional state, and buying something works surprisingly well in the short term.
When you decide to buy something new, your brain releases dopamine, the same reward chemical involved in gambling and social media. The important detail here is that the dopamine spike happens when you decide to buy the thing, not when you can afford it, not when you actually need it, just when you imagine owning it. This is why someone can feel a powerful urge to buy a $300 pair of shoes while having $0 in savings. The brain is solving an emotional problem, not a financial one. Rule 2. Social comparison quietly rewires your spending. Back in 1954, psychologist Leon Festinger introduced something called social comparison theory. The idea is simple. Humans constantly evaluate their own success by comparing themselves to other people.
For most of human history, this comparison group was small. Your neighbors, your coworkers, maybe people in your town. Today, that comparison group is the entire internet.
You open Instagram and see someone your age in a nicer apartment. You open TikTok and see someone with a better car. You scroll YouTube and see people your age apparently making millions. Your brain quietly interprets all of this as information about where you stand. And when your brain decides you're behind, it looks for ways to close the gap. Not with investments, not with savings, but with visible signals of success. Clothes, phones, shoes, cars, things other people can see. Because savings accounts are invisible, but sneakers are not. Rule 3. The performance trap. Here's a strange truth about modern spending. A lot of people are not buying things because they love them. They're buying things because they communicate something: status, taste, success.
Researchers who studied everyday millionaires for The Millionaire Next Door discovered something surprising. Most actual millionaires live extremely normal lifestyles, normal houses, normal cars, normal clothes.
Meanwhile, a huge percentage of luxury car owners are not wealthy at all. They are simply spending a large portion of their income to perform wealth. Think about how strange that is. Someone with $300,000 invested can look poorer than someone with $2,000 in their bank account, because one person is building wealth and the other person is broadcasting it.
Alex is performing success. Sarah is building it.
Rule 4. The upgrade treadmill. Another reason people with zero savings buy expensive things is something economists call lifestyle inflation. Your income goes up, and your spending quietly follows. New phone, better clothes, more expensive restaurants, nicer apartment. Each upgrade feels small and reasonable on its own.
But over time, your lifestyle expands to consume almost every dollar you earn.
This is why someone making $60,000 and someone making $150,000 can feel almost the same amount of financial pressure. The numbers are bigger, but the margin isn't. Sarah avoided this trap. Every time her income increased, she increased her savings first. Then she upgraded her lifestyle. Alex did the opposite. Rule 5. Expensive things feel affordable in monthly payments. A $1,200 phone sounds expensive, but $33 a month sounds harmless. A $40,000 car sounds huge, but $540 a month sounds manageable. Companies understand this psychological trick perfectly. They rarely show you the total price. They show you the monthly price, because the human brain is much worse at evaluating long-term costs than short-term ones. And once everything is converted into monthly payments, expensive lifestyles suddenly feel affordable, until you look at the total. The real problem isn't income, it's awareness. People with $0 savings aren't usually irresponsible. They're just reacting to powerful systems designed to make spending feel normal. Advertising, algorithms, social comparison, monthly payments, dopamine. All working together quietly in the background, which means the solution isn't extreme discipline. It's simple rules. Rules that protect your future self from decisions your present self might regret. Because the real difference between Alex and Sarah isn't intelligence. It's that Sarah built systems that protect her money, and Alex didn't. And the direction you're heading financially has a lot less to do with how much you earn, and a lot more to do with which one of them you slowly start to resemble.